Let's continue learning Hilchos Teshuvah, Shir number 39. Erev Yom Kippur. And the day of Yom Kippur, both we have a mitzvah of Viduy. It's a special Viduy. It's not like the normal Viduy we have the whole year, that if someone does a Avera, he needs to do Teshuvah, and one of the 4 parts of Teshuvah is Viduy, to express himself and to verbally speak out and say, I chotasi, avisi, pashati, I sinned and I did this Averas. Comes the day of Yom Kippur, and the day of Erev Yom Kippur, and we have a special mitzvah, like the Gemara teaches us in Gemara Yume, and the Rambam brings it down, and all the Rishonim bring it down lahalacha, that there was a special mitzvah of Viduy. Why? What's so special in Viduy Yom Kippurim? And as we see, that we say much longer Viduyim, right? The older Al Chetz, and Yom Kippur himself, we say 10 times Viduy, Oshamnu Boganu. What's so special about Viduy from Yom Kippur? So there was a part from the Rishonim that explain that because every time that you do Teshuvah, you need to say Viduy, like the Rambam brings down that that's mitzvah sasay of Teshuvah. The mitzvah of Teshuvah is that when you return and come back and stop doing the Averas, it's not enough, okay, so till now I did Avera, from now on I'm not going to do more Averas. No more Averas. It's not enough. You need also to say Viduy. Think about it like you did something wrong to a friend, something bad, and now there is one part is stopping to do it, regretting what I did, but it's not enough to ask for forgiveness, to come back to the friend and say, I sinned upon, I did a mistake, I was wrong, and I'm sorry. And that's Viduy. That's Viduy. It's also to come and to stand in front of Hashem and to say the Viduy. Now, always, every Aveire that needs to Teshuvah, every Teshuvah needs to be together with Viduy. The Kiyum for mitzvah Teshuvah, the Gemer Teshuvah, the end of Teshuvah, when the Teshuvah is done and ended, and Lemaisa, it's only when there is also Viduy. So what happens in Yom Kippur? That Yom Kippur we know that Ki Bayoim Hazeh Yechaper Aleichem, HaKadosh Baruch Hu comes to clean us up from all the Averas, and Yom Kippur mechaper lashavim. That's what Chachamim say. It's Machloikas Chachamim and Rabbeinu HaKadosh. If Yom Kippur is mechaper only if you do Teshuvah, or also even if you don't do Teshuvah, and so you need to do Teshuvah like it's supposed to be. Even not lechachamim, that you need Teshuvah to be miskaper Yom Kippurim. Also Rabbeinu HaKadosh, Rabbi, that says that Yom Kippur mechaber even if you don't do Teshuvah, afilu l'she'einam shavim. It's the Tosfos Rosh and Shavuos and the Tosfos Yeshonim and Yume say that it's not a kapara shleima, not a kapara gmura. If you want the kapara should be a old kapara, and that shouldn't bring problems like Churban Beis Hamikdash, so you need to do a kapara with Teshuvah. Teshuvah Kippur should be mechaper with Teshuvah, because only then it's b'shleimus. Only then the kapara is like it's supposed to be. That's why comes the day of Yom Kippur. So we say Teshuvah, we're doing Teshuvah, and we're saying Viduy, and then Yom Kippur is going to be mechaper on us. So when is the time to do it? If you'll do it a week before, what's going to happen with the Averas from this week? The Yom Kippur is not going to be mechaper. So that's why we say the Viduy the last day, Erev Yom Kippurim, in the Yom Kippurim himself, and then it's mechaper on us. The Rabbeinu Yoina, in twice in Shari Teshuvah, also in Shar Daled, also in Shar Beis, explains that there was a special mitzvah. When the pasuk tells us, "Ki bayoyim hazeh yechaper aleichem lechaper letaher eschem," it's a promise. HaKadosh Baruch Hu will clean us up from all our averes. When it says in the pasuk, "Lifnei Hashem titharu mikol chatoiseichem," Lifnei Hashem titharu, learns Rabbeinu Yoina, it's a tzivui, it's a mitzvah, that in this day of Yom Kippurim, there was a special mitzvah to do teshuvah. So there was also, over there was a few explanations. If there was a special mitzvah, Yom Kippur to do teshuvah, it could be because like doing teshuvah and saying Viduy when you're bringing a carbon. Right? The Rambam at the beginning of Hilchos Teshuvah teaches us that when you bring a korban, you need to say Viduy. Now, what happens if someone had a avera of Chilul Shabbos b'shoigeg? So we did Teshuvah, and now we need to bring a korban, chatos. He's bringing the chatos of Beis Hamikdash. When they're going to shecht the chatos and to do the korban, so he needs to come and say again Viduy. Why? Because the kapara of the korban is together with a Viduy. The words from the Rishonim that explain the same thing is also Yom Kippur. Yom Kippur is mechaper. It's like a korban, but the korban needs to have together with him also a mitzvah of Viduy. He should be mechaper. So there was a special teshuvah and a special Viduy from Yom HaKippurim. There is more shitas and Rishonim to explain why it's so important, this Viduy and Yom HaKippurim, but we're not going to speak about it now. Just what's has to do with us is Erev Yom Kippurim to say Viduy, and then comes Yom Kippur himself, and to say the Viduyim, and to know that with saying the Viduyim, we mechkayim a mitzvah, and that brings us closer to HaKadosh Baruch Hu. He wants to hear us, he wants to see our regret and our averes, to hear the words of the Viduy that we're saying, and to see the Kabbalah al-Asid that we accept upon us, and that's the way that Yom Kippur is going to be mechaper on us, and we should come out from Yom Kippur clean and pure, like we never sinned before, like the Sgula of Kaporas Yom Kippurim. HaKadosh Baruch Hu would help us to Kapora Shleima, Geula v'Yeshua.